Hey guys, here is how to cook white rice using our Nigerian rice. In a clean pot, add some clean water, cover the pot and allow the water to boil. Once the water starts to boil, add your raw rice into the boiling water. Cover the pot and allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and wash the rice 2 or 3 times or till the water is clear. Pour the washed rice back into a clean pot. Add some water. The water should be slightly above the level of the rice. If you like salt in your rice, this is when to add salt. I didn't add salt to this one because I don't like salt in my white rice. Now cover the pot and allow the water to dry up. Once you start hearing this crackle sound like the sound of popcorn, your rice is ready to be served. If you want to learn how to cook correct Nigerian tomato stew, check my previous video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.